Ophose is a PHP and JavaScript framework that redefines simplicity and speed for your web application development. It has been developed in 2022 and released in 2023 by AH4, who originally needed a way to create application with the fewest requirements, inspired by the most known web framework. Ophose allows a light user navigation because user interface is fully loaded on client side, and PHP server side only acts as an API, strongly reducing server memory. This framework uses JS components, allowing you simply define smaller parts of your interface and making them reusable. To describe the HTML content of it, simply write it as a JSON or object or using the magic underscore function. To pass properties between components, simply use the props argument in the constructor. As your application must not be static, Ophose handles it all. You can use live variables to make some parts of your application dynamic. The value of it will be automatically tracked and updated as soon as it changes. You can now imagine endless possibilities as Ophose has been created to be the most scalable possible. And all of that for free. It's open source. But your web application may require a server side to use the database, create users, interact with them. This framework definitely handles it all too. How? With the environments. Ophose has been crafted to be most simple, scalable, and useful. An environment is a module of your web application backend, which can interact with the other ones. But it would be long to create each of them every time, isn't it? You can directly download a ton of pre-built environment and components to create your web application faster. Create a free account, get your API key, and put it in your project.okonf. Then look for the resources you need and finally put it in the dependencies section. Now, run PHP OCL open install and watch the magic operates. To create your own and interact with the others, create a folder in /env/ with your environment name and create an nv.php file that will return an environment class with your own API routes or console commands. You may want to create a model with the model environment. To do so simply, create a file in your /app/model folder. Put the fields you need in the schema variable. Add some useful methods, then create a method to easily fetch them with the model ORM. And you're done. It is as simple as that. Discover even more on ophose.ah4.fr.